Guys, I wanted to show you this like hip hook that I purchased. This is the second one I've owned. I owned a different brand before, and now I got this one, which I like because the difference is like it has this stopper here, which I like. It like this rubber point, so it's not like a hard piece of plastic. So you can read all about the benefits of it or why you would want to purchase something like this. Personally, for me, I find that it's really hard to get into like muscles down there. I think it's the psoas muscle. And that is what will help with like relieving sciatica if you can get that muscle relaxed, which is hard to do. So that's why something like this does personally help me. It comes with this base that you like lie flat on the floor, and then you put this in here, and then you lie down on top of here. You could press the lever to kind of get in there more. You could read all about it to see like why you would want it. I just wanted to show you. It's like the base is like a plastic, and then this is like a softer plastic, and then this is like a rubber. So it's made nicely. I like the material. So like you would put it right here if this is lying down, and then you press down in there to get into this like muscle right there to help relieve any pain. Personally, I'm really happy with this, and I'm glad that I got it.